Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a new challenge video, and this one is going to be the one color makeup challenge. So basically what you do here is just create a look that incorporates only one color in your makeup. So for me, I'm going to do red today because I felt like it. This looks so horrible on camera, but yeah. I'm gonna do red. And I'm going to base this look off of one of my most favorite Korean movies, which is Old Boy. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with a white base makeup first. I know it's not red, but the rest of the makeup will be. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I do shironuri makeup, which means I need to apply a white foundation first. So I'm taking this Kryolan foundation in 070 and smoothing that all over my face per usual. Then evening this all out with a beauty sponge by Pure Cosmetics. This can take a while, but just very softly, work at it until everything looks very seamless. Now I need to set this in place since this is a cream formula. So I'm taking this white setting powder from Ben Nye, which is their super white professional powder, and patting that onto my face using a powder puff. So now it's time for red makeup. First I'm going to reach for a red shadow. This is Love Plus from Sugarpill, which is a very matte, rich red formula. I'm feeling for where my socket bone area is, then applying the shadow onto that area. I'm also applying this all over my mobile lid area. I'm very softly extending this just a tiny bit past the outer part of my eyes. Then I'm using a smaller brush to pack on more shadow. This is a very small pencil brush from Coastal Scents, so I'm just really softly packing that on to ensure there's enough shadow on my mobile lid. Then applying some more right on my lower eyelid. I'm only applying this on the outer parts of my lower eyelid, so right along here. So now I'm going to use this cream face paint from NYX. I want to use this to intensify the red on my eyelids, as right now it kind of looks a little bit pink. I don't want pink, I want red, so I'm going to use this to really amplify the red on my eyelids. So using only a tiny amount, I'm patting this over my mobile lid. Then after that, you want to go in with a red-orange shadow. This one here is called Ofola from the Juvia's Place Festival palette. Now I'm going to reach for this product right here called Durline, which is a mixing medium. First you want to add a loose shadow on any surface, like my hand. Then add a few drops of Durline. Mix it together until it forms a liquid, like so. Now I'm going to use this to add dots all around my eye. So just add small dots all around the border of the eyeshadow. What I'm doing here is basically imitating pointillism. I'm using this to create more depth to this look and more visual interest. Next, I'm going to use a red gel liner. This is also from Inglot. First, I'm lining my upper eyelids, then my waterline. I don't want any of my natural skin tone visible around my eyes. Then make sure to set that in place with a red shadow. Once again, I'm using Love Plus. Now I'm using a mascara which is not red. No, it's not. But I'm actually going to use this just to thicken my eyelashes for the next step. So take any mascara of your choice. I'm taking this one from Shironuri and apply that to your top and bottom lashes. Then you want to go back in with your red gel liner and very generously apply that to your top and bottom lashes until they're very thick and coated with this gel liner. Yeah, it should look very thick and really spidery. Now let's return to my face. You want to take that same red shadow and apply that to your nose very generously, all around your nostrils. That is a really weird thing to say on camera, but... Then you want to take that shadow and apply it around the contours of your nose. So as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go back in with that same cream color from NYX and going to use that to really intensify the color all around my nose again. So I'm just very softly patting that all around my nose to intensify this color. And of course, I'm going to go in with a red-orange shadow and very generously apply that on top. I'm going to use that same Kryolan mixture once again and apply dots all over this eyeshadow, all around my nose. So just add as many red dots as you can around your nose. This will once again add more visual interest. Now it's finally time to move on to the lips. I'm going to reach for this liquid lipstick from Kat Von D called Underage Red. This name still weirds me out. Like, I understand why it's called this, but still it's kind of weird. Anyways, you want to apply that to your top and bottom lip. And when I get to my top lip, what I'm going to do here is go above my Cupid's bow. Sort of like I'm drawing a moon shape on my upper lip. and I'm done. And that is exactly how I feel when I get the final question on Jeopardy right. I did yesterday and I was so happy. But anyways, I wanted to show you the wig I wore in this video at the very end. This wig right here is from elfwigs.com, and it is their 24-inch red straight wig. This is of course a lace front, which I absolutely love. I love my lace fronts. And being that this is my first red wig, I am really in love with it. It's very smooth, very easy to work with. The hair is very nice to work with. You can finger comb with it or use a brush provided in the little box it comes in. The only issue I have with it is that it does have a few thin spots in the front of the wig, but otherwise it's pretty nice. Also, if you do want to try this out for yourself, I do have a coupon code for you, and it's Elf Minsooky. In case you want to know how to pronounce my name, by the way, it's Minsooky. So, that is the end of the video. What do you think? Kind of weird? Kind of cool? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you want to. If you don't, you know, whatever. Leave a comment down below, and excuse me, and as always, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Yes. Anyways, I will see you all later, and I hope you all are doing well. Bye.